Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 25, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 6th row and 7th row, column J, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Column I, 5th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 6th row, 7th row, we have 8. Column F also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row we have 7. Column G also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 9th row, 10th row we have 6. Column E also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, column H, column J, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Second row, fourth row, we have 9. Column I also we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Fourth row, column J, we have 1 and 5. So 1 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. In third grade, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, we have 7. 8th row also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column H, 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then 6th grade, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 3, 9, 4. So 3, 9, 4 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 9th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Second row and third row, column D, column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, and fourth row, we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, second row, column E, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 4, 2, 7. That 3 numbers can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Fourth row, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. Seventh grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth row and 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. First grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. Third row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Third row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column E, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Sixth row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Ninth row, 10th row and 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 10th row and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column B, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column B, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 8th row and 10th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 8th row, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. The 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column F, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of the 2 cells. Column G, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B, only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 7th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.